Hello Andrew and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that can actually help you increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers and grow your company. So I will start with your front page and then we'll move on to the Google Business Profile and the backlinks. So I can see that you have the click to call button over here. You have different back pages for the different services that you have. So you have rain gutters, patio covers, metal roofs, um, why people should choose to work with you, a little bit of the intro or description of the services over here. And you have videos are really good because they increase the amount of time that people stay on a website, and that's a metric that Google takes into consideration when ranking websites. And then you have here in the footer, the contact details and payment forms. So there are a few things that you could consider. For example, you could have the contact us form at the top. Just make it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. You could, in terms of content, right now your front page has 784 words. And content is important because through content, first, Google is able to understand what the website is about, and you are able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords. So perhaps think about expanding the description of the services that you have, adding, for example, testimonials and reviews, linking your social media accounts. All of those things you can do in the front page. Now, if I have a look at two of your competitors, just for metal roofing, these guys have San Diego Roofing Inc., the landing page for metal roofing. They have 521 words. And Altec Roofing, these guys have 239 words. So although you have more in your front page, just don't forget that this is the landing page for the roofing. Not for them, but for these guys, this is the landing page for the roofing services. Now, definitely an opportunity for you to consider is to increase the amount of content and sprinkle it with buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that is that I came here to the Google search and I type in metal roofing San Diego. And the first section that you see is the Google ads, which are really good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. And also some people just have the ability to turn them off in their browsers. The second section is the map pack. And in this section, to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as yellow pages, that's what we call citations, and the name, address, and phone number in those citations or in those directories need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. The third section is the Google Organic Search. And to rank here, you first need a website that is responsive, that is safe, and that is correctly built with the relevant content. And once you have that, you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Right now, I am looking at the back end of your website, and I can see that there are 30 external websites directing traffic to your website through 99 backlinks or 99 links. If I have a look at San Diego Roofing Inc., this is just for their roofing landing page. There are 3 external websites directing traffic through, 7 backlinks, and Altec Roofing. These guys have 54 external websites directing traffic through, 225 backlinks. So it's important to have a look at this backlink profile just to make sure that you not only have more backlinks, but you have quality and powerful backlinks. And those are backlinks that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, so that Google can verify these details. They have algorithms to verify this, and they will give you extra points for this. And this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which website is the most relevant one according to the search that people or users are performing in Google. The other section that I wanted to share is the organic keywords. So your website is being found for 93 organic keywords. I search for San Diego, and here I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword in the Google organic search. So for example, and these are the ones that have the San Diego, the city attached to it is what we consider buyer intent keywords. So for example, metal roof in San Diego has a search volume of 100, and because your website is in position 7, then you're able to get an estimate traffic of 6 visits per month. Metal Roof San Diego has a search volume of 30. Gather San Diego, you are ranking on position 22nd for that one. So anything beyond the 12th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, so it's going to be really hard for you to attract any traffic. But has a good search volume, but you're in position 22nd. You also have Patio Cover San Diego, has a search volume of 250, but you're in position 26. If I have a look at these guys, San Diego Roofing, they only have the metal roofs, but let's have a look at them. They are being found for 25 organic keywords. And in here, we can see that they are in second position. And because of that, they are able to drive an estimate of 18 visits for a keyword that has a search volume of 100 searches per month. They are ranking on the first position for Metal Roof San Diego, and although the search volume is not that high, they are able to get an estimate of 12 visits to their website. So that's basically what you want to do. You want to identify what are the keywords for each of the segments and each of the services that you provide that have the highest search volume so that you can include them as part of the content of your website. Make sure that you're actually ranking for those keywords. So then Google is going to find you for those keywords. Then you actually focus on building the backlink profile so that you can actually rank at the top for the Google organic search. And that means that you are maximizing the number of times that you are in front of potential customers. And then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website. Another percentage are going to call you. And then another percentage you're going to be able to convert into new customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.